In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to add a gradient background to your projects. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can easily enhance your designs using this simple yet effective tool. So let's dive right in and get started with adding some creative flair to your Canva projects. First things first, go ahead and open up your Canva project. This is where the magic happens, and it's where you can unleash your creativity. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation, or any other type of visual content, a gradient can add a professional touch. When you're in your project, take a moment to appreciate Canva's straightforward and user-friendly interface, which makes it a favorite among designers of all levels. Once your project is open, take a look over at the left-hand side of your screen. This is your toolbar where you'll be able to access various design elements. Click on the Elements tab. It's a treasure trove of options, from shapes and lines to icons and illustrations. But today, we're focusing on gradients. In the search bar within the Elements section, go ahead and type in gradient. This will bring up a wide array of gradient options for you to choose from, each offering a unique blend of colors that can suit different themes and moods. Now that you've searched for gradients, take your time to browse through the selection and find one that best fits the vibe of your project. Once you've found a gradient that speaks to you, click on it to insert it into your design. You'll see it instantly appear on your canvas, and you can drag it to where you want it. Depending on the design you're working with, you might want to adjust the size to cover the entire background or just a portion of your project. It's all about what suits your vision. Next, let's talk about transparency. This is a great feature to know because adjusting the transparency of your gradient can subtly affect the mood and visibility of other elements on your page. Once your gradient is in place, click on it to reveal additional settings. Look for the transparency option, which is usually represented by a small checkerboard icon or a slider bar in Canva. Click on it, and you'll be able to adjust the transparency to find that perfect balance. Whether you want the gradient to be a soft background element or a bold statement, adjusting transparency gives you creative control. And just like that, you're done. Simple, right? With just a few clicks, you've added a sophisticated gradient background to your Canva project. This technique can be used in countless ways, whether to complement text, highlight a key message, or simply add depth to your design. By following these straightforward steps, you've now mastered adding a gradient in Canva, enriching your designs with a touch of modern elegance. Happy designing, and we can't wait to see what beautiful creations you come up with next.